Now one more thing in accounting was left, that is the investment banking. So I will just do it in this and then I'll move on to the data science one. So let me search for investment banking, and we will have many images over here for investment banking. But let me see if I have it like a text and an image as well. So let me search in photos, and I have one like this, or okay, even this is okay. So I will remove this. I will keep it like this and increase it a bit. Okay, fine. So here I want to change it to investment banking training. Content, I'm keeping it same. Here I'm keeping it, let's say, for 8 days intensive training, and starting from say 10th to 18th, and this is going to be from 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. So let me change the color of this. So I'll make it somewhere in the green shade. So let me go in for a color picker and I'll select a lighter shade. Similarly, this I'll select as a contrast shade. So let me see if this not working properly, or this would be a complete contrast. Yeah, even this looks better. Fine. So let me search in for investment banking all, and this is the one which we can add as the graphic. So I'll remove both of these graphics here, make it a bit small, add it down here, or we can also add something like this, which is also an example of an investment bank. So let's say put it down here like this. If you want to change the colors of this, you can do that. So let's make it all in the color of blue. So this is a lighter one, this is more lighter to it. So let's take it this one. Whichever colors you can match it to, you can take it. So that's how we have created for investment bank also. And if you also wish, you can like make it something like this, but then your contents will overlap. Okay, so that's the reason I have kept it only up till this. Again, you can decide how you can place the image there and then go ahead with that. Fine. So I'm done with this now. So let's go back and I'll create an Insta post again, and this is for my data science training. So over here I will add certain elements, and let's look out for shapes. Let's design it first appropriately and then only we'll proceed further. So I'm adding this here like this, then I'm adding it over here like this. That's the basic shape that I have added. Changing the color to a lighter one, or let's take out to this one. This is a bit darker. Now I want it for machine learning. So let me look in for machine learning images, and even this looks better. So I'll take this, I will remove it till this, place it over here and increase it. Okay, if you want to place it like this, even that is possible. Yeah. So here I will add some text as headings, and this is say machine learning training let me keep it over here and decrease the size, make it bold. Fine. So I'm placing it in the middle. Now I want to place here, let's say. Now what I'll do is I will add here some subheadings. So let me increase the size of this and place it here like this. So this would be my content, or I'll mention it as course content. Okay, and I'll put here bullet points, say content 1. Okay, so let me select all and yes. Fine. So add it like this, and let's say I add here another subheading, increase the size, say starting from, let us move it on this, say 12th October to say 20th October at 9 a.m. to let's take it 9:10 a.m. and let's increase it only till the size that we can manage it in this. So we have placed the contents like this. This is about our machine learning training. And now let's search for some images more on machine learning. So we can have it something like this also will do. So let me check if we can place it in the middle. Let me send it to back. Yeah, this looks better. See, I'm transferring it above, increasing from bottom. So I'm placing it in such a way that this is not overlapping on this. Okay, so that looks great. So again for this, I will bring it to bring forward. Fine. Yes, so that's how I have created the template. If you wish to, but you can remove the background, but I don't need, that is a requirement here. So that is about my machine learning that we have created. Now let's duplicate this, and I will first of all change the color of the shapes over here. So let's take this a darker one and say this one. Okay, so I'll change this to white so that they are easily visible, and here I will make it, let's say we need it for AI. Okay, so let's search for artificial intelligence, some images for that. So let's see if this accommodates here. Send this to back. Okay, AI is, so what I'll do, I'll increase this, and now again here also I'll make it white. Yes, so now it is visible on both. Fine, so this is for my artificial intelligence train. Fine. Now again this contents and all is same. Now even this image I need to remove it, or I want to replace it. So yeah, this looks better. So I'll take it this, I will expand this. Now first of all, let me decrease this from both the sides, and then I will try and increase it. So this one is better. Fine. So that's how I want to place it for artificial intelligence. If you want some other image, you are free to do that. There are many images available for artificial intelligence as well. Or even this is better. Here also you have it AI as being displayed over here properly. So see, let's take it like this. Yeah, even this looks better. Fine. Then let's duplicate this again, and now we'll go in for Python. So let's search for some elements in Python. Coding. Okay, so we have some images for Python coding as well, and I guess this looks better. So let's quickly replace this with the image that we have, and I will replace the color. So let us pick up the color, and I want the color of the Python that is written. Okay, so I'll pick up that color and apply it there. And this again, I will make it darker shade, or even a black one will do. Similarly here, I will use this color, and for this, let us choose black color. Okay, fine. Now let's search for some more Python images. Yeah, even this is better. So let me replace this here. I'll make this to back, and this is now for Python training. Or you wish to add some different, you can just search in all graphics. Yes, this is also a logo which we can add for Python. So let's say if I add this, I'm adding it like this here, or you can search for some different logos as such. You're free to explore the things and add things as and how you are needing it. So that's it. We can change the date and the content. So we are done with the data science part as well, and now we'll move on with creating such images for .NET Java. Now always search for relevant things. The things that we are basically going in for this project is we search in for some relevant things. So if I'm creating some post for Python or AI or ML, I'll search appropriate elements which will match my post accordingly. Okay, rest creation is totally up to you, how best you want it to get created. Fine.